Today we the student of Red Rose High School English Medium Bidar are centered around to elaborate the value of education and legacy of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, who was India's first education minister who emphasized the value of education in personal and national development. The first vision is a society where no one has the knowledge to read and write. Here you can see arrangement of classroom where you can see students and teachers are sitting.
Good morning class, settle down. Today is National Education Day dedicated to Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, a key figure in shaping education in India. Happy National Education Day. Same to you. Education is the foundation on which we had built our dreams. Education is the key to unlock the potentials of our nation. As we celebrate National Education Day, let's create our future brighter. Today and every day we commit to empower students and enriching communities.
Ali, why do we need to learn all these history stuff? Will it get me a job? This topic is not so interesting and important for us.
Rohan, it's not just about memorizing facts. Education is about empowerment, awareness, and building our future.
Sure. Tell that to the people suffering out their education. Can't help everyone. There are many educated people sitting jobless in our country.
Oh friend, education is the ultimate tool for holistic development and empowering us with knowledge, skills, critical thinking, creativity and confidence. Education is the foundation for personal, social and economic development.
Rohan, it's not just about jobs. Education makes us better people. Without basic education, people can't even read road signs, calculate simple numbers. Imagine living life like this.
Our class student is going to represent his views on National Education Day.
Hello everyone. I am representing as a spirit of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, the first education minister of India. Education is the foundation of progress. Let me show you a glimpse of what India would be without education. Without education, progress stops. People suffer hardships and the country remains stagnant. Education is a tool to make own decisions and fight injustice and create a better society. Let me tell you few lines about National Education Day. National Education Day is celebrated on 11 November every year in India. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. The day is celebrated on 11 November every year throughout India after the announcement made by the Ministry of Human Resource Development in 2008. Maulana Azad was a journalist, poet and other philosopher. He played an active role in freedom movement of India. He became the first education minister of India. He strongly advocated the education for women. The day aims to spread awareness about the importance and usefulness of education.
Excuse me, sir. I want to ask you a question.
Yes, you can.
Education is like a superpower. It helps us to become stronger and wiser.
Yes, it's the only tool to you accuse the take life challenges. That's why I devoted my life to make education accessible to every Indian.
Thank you.
Let us understand the empowerment of education in our life. Education is about building our future brighter and glowable.
Remember, my young friend, education is a right, a gift, and a responsibility for us.
Exactly. Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, you believe in education for all regardless of background and beliefs. That's why today we are celebrating National Education Day here.
Thank you.
I guess I never thought of education. That way education is more than just getting marks.
Yeah, we need education for everything, not just for a job alone. Education is the multifaceted tool for intellectual growth, emotional intelligence and physical well-being.
As today we are celebrating National Education Day, let us pledge to value of education, not just a mean to an end, but as a pathway to empowerment. This presentation highlights the value of education and legacy of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, India's first education minister. Let's pledge learning and lifelong journey and strive for excellence. I urge you to remember the power of education. Education transforms lives, communities, and nations. Let's reflect on our responsibility to shape the future through education. Let's continue to inspire and empower each other. Thank you, everyone.